let's see how you can easily build powerful AI agents with live web data. For example, if a particular customer asks any sort of questions about your business, the AI agent will simply go to your website, search for that specific information and provide a response to them. And it can simply work on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, even you can deploy on the website chat widget as well. So here I'm in a demo account, and as you can see here, we have connected all these channels. So that means whatever the AI agent we are going to build will simply work on all these channels. And here in the AI hub, we have already created an AI agent for this specific business called as Edbounds. So here this is the website address, and it helps you to find the perfect car. You can find from search used cars, and you can also get the value of the car as well. Let's see a live demo over here. So here I have already created an AI agent. So if you want to create a new one, you can simply name this one. So here let me open this one, the AI agent we just created. So here it says you are a helpful assistant to this particular company. Respond to customers' question in just 1 to 2 sentences. Use only this particular address, which is their website address, to provide accurate, helpful answers, and do not mention or reference the sources directly. We also have another instruction: include URLs or web links in your response only when required, and also respond in plain text as well. And here this is the important thing: AI tools, and here we have added the AI tool web search. So now if a particular customer asks any sort of question, then the particular AI will go to the particular website mentioned over there and simply search for the information. And we also have the AI tool connect user to human. That means if a particular customer's intent is to talk with an agent, it will simply pose the chatbot and transfer the conversation as well. So here make sure this is saved over here, and here you have to make this as the default agent. So it's already set up as a default agent. And here if you go to settings, integrations, make sure this is also switched on as well. All right, so everything looks good. So now we can quickly test how this actually works. So you can also test right here by clicking this test now button, or it can simply work on all these connected channels. For example, if I send a message on Messenger, let's see how this actually works. So here let me send this message: can you suggest me a best car for 7 people for daily use? Just a random question from particular customer. Let's see how this actually works. So it will take some time to respond. So here we receive the response. So it says for everyday 7 passenger use, top picks are this one: Kia for its roomy upscale cabin and strong value, and the Toyota Grand Highlander for an adult friendly. And here we have the link as well. For example, you can also ask specific prices as well. For example, let me ask, how much would it cost for, so let me ask the price of this particular Toyota Grand Highlander. Let's see what sort of response we are receiving over here. So here we receive the response. It says this one 2025, this one cost 40,000, and this is the price range. So here if you click on this particular link, you can go directly to the specific website. So it says 2025 this particular vehicle, and here you can see the pricing 40,000 to 54,045. So here this is the range. 40,000 start at 40,000 and goes up to 54,000 right there. Simple as that. Yeah, from this specific link the customer can actually change these pricing, years, those kind of things, and see the exact value of those different models right there as well. This is the chat happened on the Facebook page. So if you go to the unified inbox, you can track that particular conversation right here, and here these are the responses sent to them. So here it says bot is active as well. So if a particular customer's intent is to talk with a human agent, it will simply pose the chatbot and transfer the conversation to the human. So here in the unified inbox, this is actually divided into 3: all conversation, bot, and human. So if a conversation is transferred to the human, you will find in the human folder, and agent can simply jump in and talk with the customer as well. For example, let me say, can I talk with an agent please? So let me send this, and so customer's intent is to talk with an agent. We didn't receive any response, but if I go to the inbox over here, as you can see here, bot active is gone. So it's automatically transfer the conversation to the human. So if I refresh, you see nothing. But if you go to the human folder, you see this particular conversation now in the human folder, and from here, and agent can simply send any sort of messages. So let's say if a particular customer send any message, so let me say as a customer I'm sending different messages over here, and all these messages will be visible here, and from here, and the agent can simply send any sort of messages they like right here, and the customer will receive it. Simple as that. Anytime you can transfer the conversation back to the bot as well by clicking on this button, transfer conversation to bot, and now this conversation will be in the bot folder, or you can also track that via all conversation as well. So now if I ask any other question, so here let me ask this: who is the chief product officer, and see how this actually respond. So it says this one, this is the person. So if we go to the website here, this is in this particular page over here, and the chief product officer is this particular person, and he's responsible for these things. So it simply sends us the response right here. So let's test the same thing on the Instagram as well. So here I'm in the Instagram, so let me send a message over here. Let me send this. So I'm planning to buy an EV for daily use for just 4 people. Can you suggest me one? So now I'm asking about the EV. Let's see how this actually works. Here we receive the response. It says for daily use with 4 people, consider this particular. It offers a rear seats, a comfortable ride, strong range, and fast charging that makes excellent everyday EV. More details about buying guidance is right here for these EVs. Customers can simply tap on this link and visit the website and see more details as well. And that's a quick video on how you can use AI agents with live web data. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.